With this data, you can see the imagination, how it is going to change tomorrow, how it is going to transform. Electronics, we are exporting now. Till yesterday, we are importing. And also IoTs have come. Even CCTV cameras have come. Even we are going now, fighter jet, 5th generation. And also aerospace, we are moving in that direction. India is having huge market, you name anything. 145 crore population. No other country is having this population, even including China. China population is diminishing. India population is standard, or I can say still it is maintainable, it will increase. All over the world, aging problem is catching on. India is having an advantage of demographic dividend. Another 25 years, I can assure you, that is the advantage. And also technology has become a handy. Growth you are seeing as on today. Larger economies reasonably at high scale. 7 to 8%, 8, around 8. It may go up to 10 plus. So with all what I want, I started in my state now. Future is entrepreneurs. My concept is one family, one entrepreneur. MSME. It may be small, it may be medium size, but finally, every family should have a business look. Everybody has to think in that direction. To make it reality, Andhra Pradesh is able to procure land very innovative way. All over the world there is a problem of land. Nowhere nobody has done. I acquired nearly 33,000 acres of land for capital under land pooling. I didn't spend even 1 paise. It is a land pooling. I will give you annuity. I will develop one plot. Remaining I will keep for monetization. Now phase 2 I am going. Country never, nobody is going. Within 30 days, we are able to lay the foundation for AMCA project, that is a 5th generation fighter craft. Every project I am able to procure land with a stipulated time. Now Google has come, $15 billion. We are able to acquire land within 3-4 months. All clearances we are able to obtain. ArcelorMittal steel industry, steel city, I can say. Land we are able to acquire within 2-3 months. Now all clearances have come. They are moving forward. Like that, so much of investment is coming. We are very strong in green energy. India is going to produce 500 gigawatts. In 500 gigawatts, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts. More than 1/3 we are going to produce now. Because of all these things, now you are seeing geopolitical situation. We wanted to make it self-sufficient on energy front. That is one more thing we are working. And also if you can go, America didn't have single grid power grid, whereas India is having single power grid. I can generate power remote village in South India. I can send it to North India, remote village, real time. We are going different renewable energy. We are having opportunities. One is solar, wind, pumped storage, and also battery, if necessary. Now, as on yesterday, we used to depend more on thermal. Now, situation has been changed totally. It is changing day by day. So, with all these things, Now I am working, we are very strong in agri-tech. Agriculture also we are very strong. Agriculture, we are going differently again. Demand-driven agriculture production. Consumer, what is his choice? Food habits have been changed. India is going to become tomorrow, one day, global supplier for food security. It is going to happen. Huge opportunities, water is available, land is available, huge production, we are going to achieve it. Now we have started every assembly segment, 175 places, MSME parks. Different activities, dedicated parks. One of our city, Sri City, one of the best city. Around 350 companies are operating as on today. All global companies. Now we are starting a university there. While working, they can continue their degrees. University is there, companies are there, they will work, they will study, they will upgrade their skills continuously. That type of innovative ideas we are bringing. We are having almost all universities, IIT, IIM, even local universities, everything. We are motivating them to go differently, education, flexible education. Even in Amaravati, we are having around 10 universities. I want to upgrade continuously, bring global universities to Amaravati. As on today, all national, BITS Pilani, or WIT, SRM, AMMA, SLRI, all universities are located here. Now I want to bring global universities to this place. We are having resources. Global universities are having opportunity. How to bridge the two. Innovation is the order of the day. Innovation, nobody can beat Indians. I can assure you, if you can go to Silicon Valley, who are all there, if you can go to all top companies, Indians are ready. That is our USP, I can say. So these are all happening. Now we wanted to promote